hello. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, guys, today we're going to test out a new sound effects. But do you guys know what 23 divided by 3 is? I don't know either.
Are you sure?
A long time ago. There was a Spider-Man that died. It's really long obstacle course.
One eternity later.
Yay, I did it! Okay guys, that's the end of the video.